Okay, so let's create a user for our Terraform so that Terraform can connect to our Proxmox hypervisor and create machines. Yeah, please check out my other videos. I've done a few with how to install Terraform, and now I'm again back to the Proxmox provider, and I want to find out how I can create an API for an API key for user that is dedicated for Terraform. You can create it very easily for the root account. Just go to API tokens, so under data center API token, and just add, and here just write a name, uncheck this and click add, and that's it. Nevertheless, we do not want to do that. We want to have a separate account that is somehow limited to only what it is necessary for him to create VMs and delete VMs in our case. Okay, so let's go back to the official web page. So normally under documentation, we should find something like this one. So API token authentication. Okay. Authentication, create user. Okay, create user, create role, assign the role, and create API. Okay, so straightforward. You can do it, of course, via the GUI, but why should we do that? After all, it's a Linux, and yeah, we should do it via CLI. So I'm just copy pasting. I'm not changing anything. So this is my my Proxmox. Can I do here cut tc OS release? Oh, come on, caps lock. OS release. I never tried it on. Oh, but it's working. Okay. So Debian Linux 13. Okay, nice. Okay, clear, and let's do the first one. So this will create our user. Oh, not sudo, because we are already as root. Okay, don't need sudo. Okay, we can double check that in the GUI. So we should have a new user. Users. Okay, just created. Perfect. Okay, now let's see. I believe we will now create a role. So no custom roles here until now. Let's go back here again, copy. Now I'm using Proxmox 9, and there is a note here that some privileges may have changed. Nevertheless, I believe this should work. Don't see a reason why not. But if it doesn't work, you need to read the documentation and see what's missing. Terraform will tell you what's missing, and if something is missing, you will have an error. Or when you try to create something. Okay, so I copied. Let me go back and let me remove the sudo because it will fail again. Okay, so we created the role. Let's check that in the GUI. Let's maybe have a refresh. Okay, so this is it. Terraform just created, and those are all the privileges that it needs. And let's go back. What's next? Assign the role. Okay. Assign the role to my user. Again, remove sudo. And the last one, we generate the key, I believe. Great. Okay, copy. And where is it? And again, Control A, remove sudo. Okay, and we have our everything what we need, our token ID and our key. Now this will show up only one time, so you better copy it somewhere and store it, because it will never show up again. At least this is what I read about generating this kind of keys. Okay, then we should be ready. Now we just go to our Terraform, our previous Terraform file where we need this. I had another key, but I wanted to show you how to generate a new one. So we need this, the entire text. Okay, paste it, and the key. Where is it? The key. Okay, let's see now if I paste it. Okay, save, and we should do a test. Let's see if we can create something. Now this is the Proxmox. Where is it? Here. Okay. Terraform, and I can say apply, and yeah, let's go with, I don't know, DDC or licensing. Let's go with click 0. Let me try something. Is it case sensitive? Like 0.1. I believe it's, yeah. Okay. Because my variables, where are they? They are with capital letters, and I tried small letters. Okay. This is something to remember. I mean, yeah, Linux is very sensitive, very case sensitive. Look, 0.1. Okay. Okay, and do we really want to do that? Yes. Okay, so it started the creation process. Let's see if it goes all the way. It should go, because if we wouldn't have any writes, we would immediately get a warning that something is missing, and the execution wouldn't work all the way. I'm just waiting for it to be completely created, and then I will just destroy it to also see if that works. And we can also try something like Terraform show. Let's see if we can see something. I believe this takes 2 minutes, at least in my home lab. In production, I don't know how much it will take, but I would say much longer. I don't know why in production it's that slow, but yeah, what can we do? 1 second. Let me pause the video until this is finished. Okay, so it is ready. Let me try something, because I am pretty new to Terraform. Let's see if we go with Terraform show. Do we see something? Yep, we do see something. Okay, it shows us, I believe, the VM that we just created. Okay. Okay, let's try one more thing. Clear. Let's Terraform state list. Okay, I don't know exactly what this shows me. Nevertheless, I've seen this command somewhere. Okay, so a nice enough trying around. Yeah, let's also try to delete it. We go with Terraform destroy. We just hit enter and it will ask us for the VM. And again, like 01. Yeah, let me check if it correctly done the VM. So CPU units look good. Write back, discard, network arg EC86 as it should be. EC86, okay. One more thing. Where is it? Memory, 2 gigabytes. Option, it is start on boot. SATA and QEMU is enabled. Okay. Okay, so looks good. And now let's delete it. Okay, it shows us a summary. What it will do looks good, and we say yes. Okay, so it worked. So yeah, this was it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, all the information you need are here under Proxmox provider. How is it called? DPG or BPG, sorry. Okay, thank you for watching.